Hey everyone, it's Rochelle. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a beginner friendly video. This is all about a glueless wig install. Yes, this is glueless and I am so here for this. If you guys want to watch and learn, then keep on watching. Alright, so let's get into it. The wig that I'm rocking in today's video, it's from ISEE Hair, and this is their Yaki Straight glueless wig. And you guys, I have worn their wigs quite a few times. I personally love their glueless wigs because I do love the fact that they are beginner friendly. And are you seeing that hairline? I literally do not have to do anything to this hairline. And they have the little combs on the sides that you can easily remove. You guys know I like to cut these out, but you can easily remove it. I don't even need to cut this out whatsoever. Now it also has a comb on the back. I use this one. This one is wide for the nape. I really love the fact that it's wide, and it's also removable as well, but I'm not going to be removing this one because I need it for the back to secure the wig. So this is the Yaki texture. It's already bleached knots. I don't have to bleach the knots. I don't even have to tweeze the hairline. Yeah, everything is already done. The lace is already cut. So this is what it looks like on the inside of the wig. It's a 9x6, by the way. So it is a closure wig and not a frontal. So it is more beginner friendly. If you are new to wigs, I suggest trying a closure before you try a full-blown frontal because that does take a little bit more practice to apply. Now everything you need to apply your wig is included. You have the wig caps, you have the HD wig caps and the regular wig cap. So this one is the HD wig cap. It's more thin and I personally love them, especially when you're wearing HD wigs. This is not a HD wig cap. You can see the difference. One's thicker and one's thinner. I love the HD wig caps, and also we have the elastic band and then also some accessories that comes with the wig, such as another comb if you need to replace the comb, and also a little pamphlet on how to care for your wig as well. So I have my wig cap on. I'm not going to do the ball cap method because I'm not going to be using any glue with this wig. Now I'm going to go ahead and pop that wig onto my head, and I'm going to go ahead and adjust it. I know it is not centered just yet, but we're going to fix that. All right, so let's get into this hairline. Now I have worn ISEE glueless wigs before, and this one I will say probably has one of the best hairlines I've seen on their glueless wigs because I don't really have to do anything to it to make it look good. The other wigs, the hairline does go more straight across, but I feel like this one has a more natural and realistic hairline because usually I will take out some of the hair in the front to create almost like a widow's peak, but I don't have to do that with this one. Now I know it's not looking the best just yet because she's sitting a little high, but don't worry, we're gonna fix it. So this is how it is looking. I do have to tint the lace to match my skin more. Now I'm gonna go in with my foundation brush, and I do have some liquid foundation on this brush, so not a whole lot, and as you can see I tinted it. Okay, so I did go ahead and remove the makeup off my forehead, and I'm gonna go in with my Sticky Little Secret melting spray. This is not lace glue. This is just a melting spray, and this is going to act as a temporary hold for the wig. So it is not a strong hold whatsoever, and it's meant just for melting down the lace. So if you want something that's going to give you more of a hold, you can go ahead and use lace glue, or you can use a holding spray. I wouldn't consider this a holding spray. It's literally just to melt that lace down so it melts into my skin flawlessly and you cannot see the lace. So I'm going to go in with my blow dryer on the cool setting, and I'm just going to apply that melting spray to the tip of the lace. And as I'm applying it, I'm going to go in with the blow dryer, and as you can see it's already melting. So I'm going to go ahead and cut away some of that excess lace because I don't need it. And again, I'm just applying it to the side just to melt down the lace. I've seen what the wig looks like without any product on it whatsoever. You can clearly see the lace. It is visible, so that's why I like to use the melting spray to melt it down into my skin. That way the lace is not saying, hey, here I am, look at me, you can see my lace. We like a nice melted lace. And I am filming on 4K. There is no filter on this video, okay? So you guys can see how melted it looks. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut away some more of that lace because there's a little bit that needs to be cut, but this is beginner friendly. You don't have a lot of lace to cut. So I'm going to take my Sticky Little Secret melting band, and I'm just going to pop that on my head, and I'm going to leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes, and I'm going to cut little layers in the front. I was going to cut more of the hair, but I didn't want to go too crazy. Guys, I hated my makeup, and I'm going to remove this right now. Now, as you can see, I look like a whole different person. Listen, I lost a lot of the video footage, so I had to go back and refilm this video. So this was literally like, I think like 2 or 3 days later, I had to reapply the wig because I lost all the end footage. But yeah, this is how she is looking. Now I'm gonna go in with some what is this called, spurts? Listen, I'll put the name in the description box down below, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply that to the top of the wig, and I'm gonna try and hide that wig cap. See, the thing that sucks about wig caps, when you don't do the ball cap method, you can kind of see it, so you do have to put some concealer on to hide it. But this is how it is looking. I am here for this Yaki Straight hair. I love this closure, this glueless wig, because it still does give me a lot of parting room. So if I want to do a side part, I can do it. You guys know I'm a side part girl. But yeah, this is pretty much the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and you learned something. I will see you guys in another video very soon. I love you guys and thank you for watching.